sort of relevant
Hi
pieces of evidence.
guys!
This will establish the respondent's
Ayan,
direct link to the illegal drug trade
naglakaw-lakaw mi
and
diri
also the
sa
link into the
dagat,
murder of
kauban sa
Rolando
akong
Salazar.
kabiyak-kabiyak, iyan. At
I'd like to
ayan,
hear from the defense attorney Corrales. Fiscal, I'd like to point your attention towards the fact that Mr. Malonzo here has a
yan,
clear alibi.
walang magawa.
During Salvacion's alleged murder, Moises was either
Sweet-sweetan
with his
muna
family
kami
in Hidalgo.
ngayon.
Marami po kami isnubiting ebidensya para
At
mapatunayan ito. Moreover, we highlighted in our counter affidavit the flaws
maingay
in
yung
this investigation.
self ko iPad niya na habang naglalakad kami nag-iPad, pero ayun, pinatay muna namin para sulit. Ayan, ang ganda ng dagat dito sa Boracay talaga. O, tingnan nyo guys, sobrang ganda, sobrang the best ang Boracay. I love it so much. Gustong gusto ko talaga dito. At yun lang guys, thank you for watching. At please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you, bye bye.